New just listed home, 1875 Oak Branch Drive, Sarasota, Florida by Kurt Stone from the military veteran team. This 4-bedroom, 2-bath home offers 1,972 square feet of elegant living space in a serene single-story retreat. The open floor plan is bright and inviting, with large windows and sleek ceramic tile flooring. A fully equipped kitchen with modern appliances flows seamlessly into spacious dining areas, perfect for family gatherings or entertaining. The primary suite features a built-in closet and spa-like ensuite, while 3 additional bedrooms offer ample space. Enjoy Florida living with a charming enclosed rear patio and screened outdoor space. With a 2-car garage, central air, and low HOA, this home is the perfect blend of comfort and convenience.